Hi, today I'd like to show you how to sharpen your kitchen knife. A sharp kitchen knife is the best tool you can have. When your knife is nice and sharp, you can cut through anything. Your work is more efficient and you can work more quickly. If your blade is dull, then you're going to put more pressure on cutting with it and end up cutting yourself. I'm using a sharpener today that has some abrasive rods in it. You can find sharpeners at IKEA and at other kitchen supply stores. What I look for is this side has coarse and this side has fine. And you can see that there's these two abrasive rods in there. Now, about your setup, you do not want to do this because when you drag your knife through this way, pretend this is your beautiful countertop. You're going to go bam and you're going to mark your counter. You don't want to do that. Bring your sharpener right to the edge. Hold it nice and firm there, that's why it's got this handle. And I'm going to drag it through the coarse side first. I'm going to put some pressure on this while I'm pushing it through, not so much that I can't pull it. I'm going to do this about 4, 5, 6 times. I can feel it going through those abrasive rods. And then I'm going to finish it up on the fine side. Now you can see when I drag it through, my knife drops and there's nothing there that I'm going to nick it on. So that's it for 1 week now. I sharpen my knives every Sunday. That's my religion so that I can start my work week in the kitchen with nice sharp tools. Sometimes you'll see chefs on TV get all fancy with this kind of thing, and you see the butchers doing that. I personally do not use a steel. This is called a steel. A steel does not sharpen your knife. It merely keeps the blade clean. So that's it for today. Hope you learned something, and thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.